Hey, it's Lonnie with SmartCert support. Let's go through the steps of adding or removing pages in a Cert package. You can do this on your created dashboard by uploading your own documents or modifying the Cert package you received from a supplier. In this example, I received a package with 3 line items. I'm going to make a copy of one of the lot-based SmartCerts. I'll keep the manufacturer lot and the part number. I'm actually going to change the other lot number to reference what I am storing it internally. And I'm going to open the documents. There may be pages that you don't want to pass along to your customers. You can delete those pages, and you also have the option to add pages to finalize the Cert package that you'll be sending on to your customer. Click Save and create SmartCert, and you now are ready to send this inventory on to your customers.